What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to take a look at a brand new update that we have received for the HomeUp module on GoodLock application. I will be leaving an APK for this brand new version of HomeUp. Do check it out. The link is in the description. You can install it on your Galaxy phone and see if that works. Now, without wasting any time, let's dive right into the video. Let's go to GoodLock. And right here you can see HomeUp has got a brand new version 18.0.00.3. Let me just tap on the icon here, tap on this three dot button and go to store, and let me show you the changes or the new features here. You can see there are a few bugs which are fixed. These are very important bugs. And currently these bugs are on the One UI 9 version, the beta, which is on the Galaxy S26 series. And here are the bugs. The first one is fixed DIY, which is do-it-yourself home screen layout error when restoring via smart switch. If at all you have backed up the HomeUp data on another phone or another device, if you're restoring it using smart switch, you might be encountering some error, and that error has now been fixed. Second one is improved do-it-yourself arrangement mode behavior, which means, let's say if I go to the home screen, tap on this three dot button here and tap on a do-it-yourself home screen, we will be able to customize the home screen in detail. We can move all these icons anywhere we want. And during this process, if you are encountering any bugs, if there is any issues, then that has been fixed here. Let me just read that out for you again. Improved do-it-yourself arrangement mode behavior. Then comes fixed app shortcuts display error in integrated panel. Now the integrated panel is on the edge panel here. Let me show you that. Let's go to HomeUp here and I will just open HomeUp. Here we have got the edge panel, and let me just enable this. This is where you have got integrated panel. Now, if you enable this, what happens is you can add shortcuts and contacts to the app panel. Let me just open the edge panel here and tap on edit, and you can see this is the integrated panel where you can add the shortcuts from the applications to this panel. You can add shortcuts as well as contacts. That is the integrated panel. And on this particular panel, the bug has been fixed. It says fixed app shortcut display error in integrated panel. Then comes refined background adjustment steps for favorites. That is something important. Recently, Samsung added the background for the favorites applications, and that background customization steps have now been refined. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Bug fixes and user feedback improvements. Now let me go ahead and update the application and open the app here. And now let me tap on home screen and let's scroll down. We have got favorites background. Let me tap on this. Now here, the slider is working much better. Let me show you this. Now earlier, this horizontal padding was an issue. When we tried customizing the horizontal padding, it was not really working well. Now, if I move this, you can see the changes here. Look at that. I can do the minute adjustments here. Earlier, this was not possible. It used to jump by a bigger margin whenever I try to increase or decrease the size here. Now you can see it is easily customizable and it is working much better. Let me also show you the vertical padding here. Look at that. It is definitely working much better now. On the previous version, this was a major issue and I did really experience it every time I tried customizing it, and now it works perfectly fine. So this is the all new update that we have got for the HomeUp module. Let me know whether you got it or not. I believe that this is only on the One UI 9. You can try the APK, which I'm leaving in the description, on One UI 8.5 and see if this works. The latest version is 18.0.00.30. That's about it. If you love this wallpaper, these are available on the Volverse wallpaper application. The link for the application is in the description. Do check it out. There are some beautiful collections and video wallpapers, and we also have depth clock wallpapers. There are tons of them. Do go ahead and check them out. The link for the app is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.